Miles Parks McCollum, born August 23, 1997, better known by his stage name Lil Yachty, is an American rapper and singer. Yachty first gained recognition in August 2015 for his singles One Night and Minnesota from his debut EP Summer Songs. He released his debut mixtape Lil Boat in March 2016. On June 10, 2016, Yachty announced that he had signed a joint venture record deal with Quality Control Music, Capitol Records, and Motown Records. His mixtapes Lil Boat and Summer Songs 2 were released in 2016 and his album Teenage Emotions in 2017.